What is up, YouTube? JB here with MiGadgetGear. And in this one, we're going to be taking a look at the Black Unity sports band for your Apple Watch Series 6. Let's go.
MiGadgetGear. It's in the review.
So as you know, February is Black History Month, and so Apple released the Black Unity series, which is the Apple's Watch Series 6 and a sports band that is inspired by colors of the Pan-African flag. And so since I already have an Apple Watch Series 6, as you can see there in the background, I went ahead and got the sports band because I think it's pretty cool. And also proceeds from the purchases goes to support organizations dedicated to advancing racial equality and justice. So shout out to Apple for supporting the cause. And so let's go ahead and take a closer look at the sports band. So in case you were wondering, this is the 44 millimeter variant of this sports band. And when you open up the packaging, you can see here what it looks like inside. Up top, you have the medium and large strap. And then down here at the bottom, you have the small to medium strap. And this is pretty standard for your Apple Watch bands to have those different sizes like that. So another thing that you'll find inside of the packaging here is a little card that Apple includes, which provides the inspiration behind the Black Unity series, along with the meaning of the Pan-African flag. And I think this is a pretty nice touch. So here's the band, and I think it looks great. I've been wearing this all week. I really like it. It's super comfortable, really soft. If you're accustomed to the Apple Watch sports band and the way that it feels on your wrist, then you'll certainly like this. Now, one thing that is unique to the Black Unity collection is if you turn this over, right on the top portion of the sports band, it actually will say Black Unity down towards the bottom. And then you'll also see there's pen etching on the clasp that says truth, power, and solidarity. So I actually think that's pretty cool. Nice little touches that they've included on the Apple Watch sports band here. So one last thing that I'd like to mention is the series of wallpapers that you can download. These wallpapers that are inspired by the Pan-African flag. Apple has made them available for your Apple Watch, your iPhone, and then also for your Mac as well. So I think that's a pretty nice touch to go ahead and finish off your Black Unity collection. All right, so there you have it, guys. That was a quick look at the Black Unity sports band for your Apple Watch Series 6. Shout out to Apple for supporting the cause, but let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments below. And if you appreciated this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on the latest content. Well, that's all I have for now, guys. As always, thanks so much for tuning in. This is JB signing off, and until next time, enjoy your tech.
MiGadgetGear. It's in the review.